Welcome back, everyone. Just imagine, you're sitting inside a vehicle that's not just a car, but a complete palace on wheels. Yes, today we're talking about the 2025 Genesis Lamborghini-Style Luxury Motorhome, a ride that doesn't just drive the road, it rules hearts too. The moment you see it, your heart says, wow, this is what I've been dreaming of for years. One look at it, and it stuns everyone. From the front, it seems like a spaceship coming straight at you. With its Lamborghini-inspired front, sharp-cut body, a flawless grille, and especially its signature LED headlights that shine at night like moonlight on Earth, this beast demands attention. Its color, a deep, shining black, like a mirror. This aerodynamic design cuts through the air like a blade, designed to perfection. On every turn, this motorhome bends and glides like it's dancing with the road. The rear LED taillights, inspired by the Lamborghini Aventador, glow so brightly, people can't help but turn back for another look. Now step inside, and that's where the magic begins. The doors open automatically, as if welcoming royalty. And the moment you step in, it feels like you've entered a private suite in a 5-star hotel. The wooden flooring under your feet brings an instant sense of peace. Right in front, there's a soft leather sofa that melts away every bit of travel fatigue. On the side, a massive 75-inch curved smart TV with full streaming support, Netflix, YouTube, you name it. Above you is a panoramic glass roof that lets you enjoy the sunlight during the day and the stars at night. And when you're ready to sleep, just press a button and it turns completely dark. The entire lighting system is touch-controlled. Warm lights, cool lights, natural lights, all adjusted to your mood. Now let's talk about the kitchen. It's a dream for anyone who loves cooking. It comes with a 3-burner induction stove, smart microwave, marble countertops, and even an automatic dishwasher. There's a smart fridge that keeps track of everything inside and even suggests what you might need on your journey. Next up is the master bedroom, a place where you'll never want to leave. A king-size bed with a super soft mattress that invites sleep the moment you lie down. Around you, ambient lighting sets the mood, and the bedroom has auto temperature control, not too warm, not too cold, always just perfect. The wardrobe is like a luxury walk-in closet with space for shoes, clothes, and all your travel needs. Now the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom. It's fully finished in marble, with a rainfall showerhead that makes every bath feel like a spa experience. There's also a smart mirror that recognizes your face and shows the time, weather, and even the news while you get ready. On to the technical side, this motorhome comes with a high-performance electric motor generating over 600 horsepower. It's fully zero-emission, so it's eco-friendly too. The roof is fitted with solar panels that charge the system throughout the day. It also includes a hybrid generator that kicks in when needed. The built-in water tank is so massive, you could travel for 7 straight days without needing a refill. This vehicle also has a built-in Wi-Fi system, keeping you connected no matter where you go. If you're on a business trip, no problem, you can hold meetings, attend video calls, and access the cloud with ease. The GPS and AI-based road assist system is highly advanced. It doesn't just show you the road, it gives you smart tips to avoid traffic and save time. Traveling with kids? Don't worry, there's a dedicated gaming zone inside with an Xbox, PlayStation, and even a VR headset setup. And the best part, the entire body is waterproof and earthquake resistant, ensuring your safety in every climate and condition. So friends, just think, a vehicle that gives you every luxury, every comfort, and the power to roam wherever your heart desires. The 2025 Genesis Lamborghini-Style Luxury Motorhome isn't just a ride, it's a lifestyle. It's a journey that lets you experience the beauty of the world from the comfort of your very own mobile palace. If you want a stress-free, stylish, and super luxury travel experience, this is your ride. Because when the road is yours, the destination is a dream, and the ride is Genesis, every day becomes a new story. So friends, if you loved this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and don't forget to comment below, tell us what you think about this masterpiece. And yes, for more mind-blowing videos like this, stay connected with us, because we'll keep bringing you the world's most beautiful, extraordinary, and viral vehicles, just for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.